Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make the stream deck icon, your own icon. Okay, it looks pretty. See, like it, my icon. Okay, I have all this icon. I made it my own. It looks very pretty. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, here I have two slabs. I need to put something in here, okay? But I don't know what I'm going to put in here, okay? Name it here. So let's start to make your own icon, okay? It is very easy. All you do is go to Google search, okay? You want to make an icon about computer, okay? So here, gonna click the image, okay? Like it's doing advertise. Want to make some money, Google. They're all advertising, not image. Let me put something else on the computer work or computer worker, okay? So yeah, they're no advertising. Computer worker, okay? So you want to put the icon, okay, you just crop it, all right? Okay, so it's going to my, I think my, just right here, my desktop, okay? Now I am going to let's move away a bit. I'm going to put this, okay, picture as icon, okay? So I'm just go to the scene. I'm going to put this picture as an icon to my scene 11, okay? So I am going to here, okay, and create, get it from the file, okay, take from the file, all right, okay, it's brought up, okay, I think that this is the picture. This is a picture I just cropped it from my Google search, okay? So I'm going to open it. You see, its picture is right here, okay? As my icon, okay? It's computer worker. So, you know, when you talk about computer thing, you can put this thing. You see it, okay? You know what is going on here. So this is how I work, okay? And other here, Okay, let me go on to put one more in. Okay, yeah, set it from far. Okay, I'm gonna put this picture speaker. Okay, see, it pop up another icon. Okay, so let me get it. I take the picture. Let's see how it look. Okay, then this is it. All right. Okay, so you see, right? You see how pretty it look. This icon. Okay, actually, I take the picture. Oh, earlier picture. Okay, not the one the computer work here and the speakers here. So anyway, I am just show you how to do it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Okay. Thank you.